I'm a Canadian, so as anyone from Canada can appreciate, the prices down here are significantly less expensive and the quality is extraordinary. My name is Wendy. I've been coming to Playa for a number of years, specifically to Sani Dental Clinic for over 5 years. I'm always impressed with the quality of the staff. They're very, very nice. I have already had a crown or two, I don't even recall. After all, I've been coming for 5 years. This time I'm getting another crown. I've been very satisfied with the work, and again, the price for, I'm assuming, Americans and Canadians as well. It's such a good price. The attention and care that I've received here is exceptional. I'm always pleased to come here. Going to the dentist here is not a frightening experience, it's a very nice experience.